Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can start page number from specific page in Word. So first let's open our document, and as you can see I don't want to start my page number from the first page, because it's a table of content. So I want my page number to start from this page, which is the introduction page, so click on this page and go to Layout. Then click on Break and choose Next Page. Now go to Insert and click on Page Number. Now you must have to choose from the styles. For now let's just choose one. Now as you can see I have my page number, but it starts from the first page. Now click on Link to Previous. Then once again go to Insert and click on Page Number. Click on Format Page Number. Click on this round checkbox and make sure it says from 1. Then click OK. Now as you can see my page number starts from the second page and it continuo up to the last. But as you can see still there is a page number on the first page, so we must have to delete this page. Once you delete the page number on the first page, click on Escape key. Then to delete this blank page, click on the page and press Ctrl+G, then type \page. And press Enter, and click OK, then close this tab. Now all you have to do is just press the Delete key. Now the blank page is deleted. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.